Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with the series called Word of the Day and today is day 27 of the series. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, you can watch the videos in a playlist that has been created for you. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you improve your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is copious. The meaning of the word copious is in large amounts or more than enough. Now, we will look at sentences in order to understand this word copious better. So, the first sentence here says they drank copious amounts of juice. That is, they drank large amounts of or large quantities of juice. Now, the second sentence says he took copious notes during the lecture, filling page after page. So, he took extensive notes during the lecture. Here, copious means extensive. Now, notice, guys, copious here in both the sentences is being used as an adjective. So, copious is being used as an adjective. Make a note of this. Now, let us discuss the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be abundant, plentiful, or extensive. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be sparse, scanty, or meager. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word copious better. So, अब हम हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करते हुए जो sentences हमें दिए हुए थे हम उसे हिंदी में translate करेंगे और इस word copious को better understand करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The first sentence that was given to us was they drank copious amounts of wine. So first sentence is saying उन्होंने बहुत अधिक मात्रा में wine पी. So copious का मतलब यहाँ पर है बहुत अधिक मात्रा में कुछ consume करना. The second sentence says he took copious notes during the lecture, filling page after page. तो second sentence ये कह रहा है कि उसने बहुत अधिक मात्रा में या बहुत विस्तार से सो सेकेंड सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है कि उसने विस्तार से नोट्स लिए लेक्चर के दौरान फिलिंग पेज आफ्टर पेज मतलब कि वो पेजेस भरता ही चला गया इसने उसने विस्तार से नोट्स लिए right. So guys, we have used both the languages Hindi as well as English in order to understand this word copious better. I hope you liked the video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.